Okay, so that's done, and it actually took 3 minutes. Only it took just a little bit longer because preheating that thing, that took like 5 minutes. So more like 8. But if you do a larger thing, then of course that heating up doesn't matter as much if you're going to print that for like 3 hours. So but with a small model like this, it does matter. Now it's just finishing up here, and that's done. Now I just need to let the print bed cool down, so it will be a little bit easier to take that off. I read that at least, so quite hot now, so let's let that cool down for just a bit. Okay, so now that that has cooled down, we can grab that entire plate here and look at that right here. So here's our figure. Let's get that off of there. You should be able to do, yep, so that comes off. A few little filaments here and there, as you can see. So let's get those off as well. And then we can clearly see his little cat ears. Look at that. And you can just about make out his little face. So at this length, this height, this is really detailed enough, I think.